Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to add status to your lists or to your tasks in Clickup web application. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to go to the Clickup website by going to your browser and then just type app.clickup.com and then it will take you to the website. After that, you will need to sign in to sign up with your email and create a new account. And if you don't already have, if you already have one, just log in and then you will need just to follow these simple steps. And basically, the first thing that we will need to do now is to go to our workspace and then access to our list where we want to add status. And basically, here in the main page or the landing page, we will find here in this navigation tab the spaces here. We click on the space that you are working on. It can has another name, and of course I'm just going to any list that I have here, and basically this is my list. And to add a status to your task, you can just click on it and basically click, and you can click on its status. And as you can see, those are the status of your list or of your task. You can just click on it and you will assign a task to it. Or you can just click on the status. For example, I have this one, and then you can edit the status bar or all the status that you have. So basically here I have three status. I have this to do, in progress, and complete. And basically you can delete them, rename, change the color. So let's suppose or for example, let's just delete this one, and this is by default is here, so you can just rename it. So let's name it stats.1. We give it a color, of course, change the color, and of course you can have like an infinite of colors like that. Add status, you can add another one, stats2. Also, you can give it, let's change its color. You can give it, for example, red, etc. And of course, you will need to have, for example, a closed status that will be by default here. And of course, you can rename it, and it will have a default color that is green because it is complete. So basically, it's just name it's done, and we are going to click on save. And basically, all the status here in this line, on this list, can have these status that we have just created. So either you are going to give this, give it this one, or give it stats2, etc. So that's it. This is how you simply add stats or status to your lists here in ClickUp. Thank you for watching and see you next time.